Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find the product number on your HP Smart Tank 580. So first, let's open this thing up. Let's start off by opening up the cover. Now after opening up the cover, here we will have the QR code and the pin. So now what you guys want to do is check right here close to the printer name. So it's right here, and here we will have our product number. So after that you guys can close it, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.